So these are 306mm outside diameter, which will make a 300mm inside diameter. So I've got a local company rolling up the main tubes, and I was kind of rather hoping it was going to be done today, but unfortunately not. So I can't actually start on those, but those are, you can see that. I can't see if that's, so as per the drawings, those are going to go there somewhere. So the next job is to make them up. But anyway, I'm just going to quickly finish off this battery pod, so I've got to put those mounting bracket things on and just that little tab. So hopefully that won't take too long. Okay, I've done that one. I haven't got the right sort of bolt. I haven't got the actual. I haven't got the right hex bolt. So I've just put this temporary screw thing in. That's that done. So that's the mounting bracket welded on and all lined up in the correct place. So I'm just going to put the cap on here now, and so that's going to be that one. Right, so I've had a bit of a tidy up. I've pulled the hull out into a better place now, because this is what we'll be working on next. So because those tanks aren't actually here, it's really difficult. I wanted to measure out where all these, mark out where all these penetrators need to go. Now I've got 2 of these that I've already made. I need at least 7, I think, probably more. So I've got to get on with making some more. I'm going to need some more material. Another one to go there. But those tanks will be here next week, so then I'll be able to mark there and we can start getting these in. So for now, I'm going to carry on with one of these. So there was a really high bit on this one, almost like it's kind of egg-shaped sort of thing. And there's probably a more sensible or more technical terminology for that shape. It's probably eggosoidal. But anyway, the point is I've had to lop off the top of the egg. And I just hope I've actually got enough material. There should be. I can't remember. I think I specified these as 10mm over diameter, so it should be all right. I've taken off 2mm already, and I'm not onto round yet. I've got some real flex here on my end support, so I'm just going to adjust that. I'll just show you. I don't know whether you can see it in the video. Try to hold the camera still. I reckon that's moving about 1/2 mil. So. Quite sure how that happened. It's probably not just it. And I'm also going to take this in a bit. Not going too far, because I've got to get the carriage back to the middle there. That's about as far as I can go. Right, that's better. I don't know, I must have got that support just slightly off centre somehow. Right. I can't take a measurement until I've got it round, so I have to keep going. I've got it round now, so I'm just going to have a quick measure, more or less. It's not critical at this time. And that is too far. Oh, that's plenty. 250 I've got to be. Oh, what I was worrying about. 257, that is. Well, we'll say that's 257. I know this is all a bit repetitive, I'm afraid, but it's all got to be done. This is the penultimate one, I think, so I've got one more to go after this, assuming that I don't use that forward viewport, which I don't think I'm going to. Well, I'm down to 254 now off my OD, and I just tipped this tool, so I'm going to call it a day at that. For now, of course.